Hi, it's Rod here with Greenstone. I'm on site today to talk to you about installing a header panel. The first step in installing a header panel is to make sure both supporting panels are in place. Before lifting the header up, make sure to install connector plates to the back side of it, about 6 inches from the bottom, so that as you go to set it in place, it doesn't slide through or fall out the other side. Once you have the clips installed, lift the header into place, center it in the opening, and throw a couple screws in each side to fully tack and secure it. That's a quick summary of how to install a header panel in the Greenstone ice panel assembly. If you'd like more information about Greenstone ice panels, head on over to gsbp.ca.